Your AI agent may understand the customer perfectly, but without secure connections, it cannot work. It cannot update records or complete work. Most companies connect every database, CRM, calendar, and service separately, creating repeated systems that become increasingly difficult to maintain reliably across modern print environments. Model Context Protocol, commonly called MCP, provides a standardized way for AI applications to discover external capabilities, access approved context, and useful actions through connected, specialized business servers securely. Think of MCP like a universal connection layer for AI. Instead of designing a different plug for every tool, compatible applications communicate through one consistent, reusable protocol across many systems. MCP is not an AI model, and it is not the agent itself. It is the communication standard connecting an AI application with approved external systems, data, and capabilities securely. The architecture becomes easier when divided into three roles: the host application, an MCP client created and managed by that host, one or more specialized MCP servers working together. The host is the application where the user interacts with AI, such as a desktop assistant, business platform, coding environment, customer portal, or custom agent interface used professionally every day. Inside that host, the MCP client manages connections, negotiates supported capabilities, sends structured requests organized for each separately connected throughout normal secure business operation. The MCP server sits near the business system and exposes, allowing the AI application to use approved data or actions without understanding every internal implementation detail directly or manually. MCP servers commonly expose three important primitives: tools for actions, resources for contextual data, and prompts for reusable workflows or interaction templates. A tool is an operation the model may request, such as searching properties, creating a CRM lead, checking availability, sending mail, updating records, or performing use when needed. A resource provides readable context, including files, database schemas, documentation, customer records, or application information. That helps the model understand the current business situation before responding or acting safely and accurately. A prompt is a reusable template offered by the server, helping users and applications perform a known task with consistent instructions, structure, variables, and relevant business context every single time. When the connection begins, client and server initialize communication, agree on protocol capabilities, and discover which tools, resources, prompts, and optional features are currently available for safe use during operation. These messages use JSON RPC, while transport mechanisms carry them between processes. Common approaches include local standard input or remote streamable HTTP connections across secure business networks securely and efficiently. Now imagine a customer asks a real estate assistant to find suitable apartments, compare options, create a qualified lead, and arrange a viewing for next week through several connected business tools. The agent interprets that goal, reviews the available MCP tools, and selects a property search capability instead of inventing it or relying on outdated information from model memory alone. Because every exposed tool includes a name, description, and input schema, the client can show the model exactly which arguments and values are required before execution begins safely and correctly. The MCP server receives the structured request, validates its inputs, calls the underlying property business API, and converts the result into a standardized response format for the client. The agent receives verified property data, compares it with the customer's budget and preferences, then explains the strongest matches instead of relying only on general model knowledge or unsupported assumptions. After customer approval, the agent may request separate tools to create the CRM lead availability, schedule the viewing, and notify the assigned sales representative automatically and accurately every time. Without MCP, developers often build custom integration logic separately for every AI application. MCP standardizes discovery and communication, although each server still uses real business APIs behind the scenes. That standardization can make capabilities easier to reuse across compatible hosts for property search, customer data, reporting, or internal operations securely at scale. However, connecting AI to business systems creates real risk, so remote MCP servers should use proper authorization, auditing, and carefully limited access permissions by default in production. High-impact actions should remain visible and controllable. Our essentials set up safe recovery paths for when any connected tool fails. Unexpected failures will happen during execution. Use MCP when several AI applications need reusable access to multiple tools or one small, fixed integration. A normal API connection may remain simpler and cheaper to maintain. The key idea is simple. Agents decide what should happen. MCP standardizes how connected capabilities are discovered and requested. For more practical videos about agentic AI, MCP, AI agents, and business automation, subscribe to ProWebier and continue building smarter AI systems with us.